students. Yes, today we are discussing 8th class, second lesson, energy from the sun. In that subtopics, land and water contrast, heating of the atmosphere and heat balance. Let us discuss today these three topics. Land and water contrast. The land distribution over land and the ocean also quite different and varied. From land to sea, there is a variation by heating. Variation in between the land and the sea. This will be very clear if you measure recording the temperature of different place over different continents and ocean. Land is considered as a good conductor. Land is a good conductor of heat. Land is a good conductor of heat. Whereas water bodies are different. Whereas water bodies are too different. For example, if the land in the morning is very heated and at the evening time it will be cools down. Whereas coming to the seas are very large water bodies. They may not heat fastly and they may not cool down fastly. Why? Because there is a loose water bodies. So it takes lot of time to heat and it takes lot of time to cool down. So that's why there is a different variation between the land and sea. While land gets heated, cooled quickly. Land is get cooled, heated and quickly. So ocean will take to heat long time and cools down. So it takes lot of time. That is the contrast between land and the sea. For example, see here they are given the map in page number 6. What we observe, the regions marked brown receive maximum heat and whereas the region shaded with blue get least. Brown is maximum heat and blue is very little. Here they are given the records. So whereas comparison between the land and sea, land get cool easily and heat quickly. Whereas sea takes lot of time to heat and cools down. So coming to the heating of atmosphere, heating the atmosphere. So we may be surprised to know that atmosphere or the air around us is not heated directly by the sun rays. In fact, it actually allows the rays passes through being in it. See. This is earth and this layer we call it as atmosphere. This part is earth and this thin shaded sheet, blanket like sheet we call it as atmosphere. See here sun rays. See, it may not heat. See, there is a variation between the places. See, you may surprise it to know that atmosphere, the air around us is not heated directly. It's not heated directly by the sun rays. In fact, it actually allows the rays to without being heated by just it raises without being heated by them. The sun rays first heat the earth surface. Wherever the sun rays are there, first heated the earth surface. First it heated the earth surface. This turns being radiated heat will heat up the air around us. Whatever first it will be heated, then the around the air also automatically heats. It directly not heat the atmosphere. First it heated the earth surface, then the automatically the surrounding air also heated. the air around us. That's why it is warmer near surface of earth compared to places of higher altitude of the temperature. So that's why higher altitudes, wherever we are going here, the temperatures, whenever we are going high, the temperature decreases. Go on higher altitude, the temperatures are decreases. So that is the thing of atmospheric heating of atmosphere. Clear here? Next, heat balance. The heat of Earth's sun is radiated. The heat the Earth receives from the sun is radiated by the different ways. See, here, whenever the rays are fall here, it will be reflected in different ways. See, for example, it will be goes like this, it will be goes like this, it will be like this, and it will be like this. The sun rays are reflected back in a different way, not in a same direction. As we saw, about 1/3 of immediately reflected back. Whatever the rays are there, 1/3 are reflected back immediately. The rest heats of the earth's surface. Only some, whatever the rest is there, that is the heat at the earth's surface. 1/3 are reflected back and remaining are heats of the earth's surface. When it's done heat the atmosphere, eventually it radiated into the space. Then automatically it will be the atmosphere also heated. This complete radiation of heat received from sun is very important. If it entire heat not radiated back, then every day the amount of heat remains will accumulate and it will be remains hotter and hotter. Whenever it will not go back, it will not reflected back, radiated back, we have become very hotter and hotter in our climate. On the other hand, the earth received less heat than it gave out in radiation. We take less heat, what we will received less than it gave out radiation. Would it get cooler and cooler? So that's why in the evening times we observe cooler weather. Have you observed absolutely flat land over a long stretch? Everywhere the land seems to be sliding, undulating and sloping. Not everywhere even. There are slopes and undulating and everything. This resulting in variation in amount of solar energy received of the land. Will this happen more on flat land? See, here some variation, here some variation we observe. Why? Because will this happen more on flat land and sloping land? Will the two sides of mountain front receive same amount of sunlight? What could be the reason for this? For example, in here a mountain, the sun rays are fall like this. What about the back side? This front part is heated more. What about the rest? Back. Why? Because this will be give the shade to the back. So that's why they are not heated. Some gases like carbon dioxide prevent radiation of heat from the earth. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increase due to increase in use of diesel and petrol, cutting down of forests, etc. Why the gases of carbon dioxide increases day by day? Why? Because we are humans are using the daily diesel, petrol and cutting of forests. If the carbon dioxide proportion in atmosphere increase, then less heat will be radiated. So if we are using more, less heat will be radiated, causing an increase in global temperature. In that type of situation, we get global warming, global temperatures. This we will call it as global warming. Automatically temperatures increases day by day. Cutting down the forest and use of fuels, diesels, petrols are more and more. Then automatically carbon dioxide released more in our Earth's surface. Then we will get into global temperatures. These global temperatures we call it as global warming.